Once upon a fluffy white cloud kingdom lived a tiny cloud named Nimbus. Unlike his big, puffy cousins who reigned majestically or boomed with thunder, Nimbus was just a wisp. He felt small and useless, dreaming of creating something beautiful like the vibrant rainbows his friends made after a storm. Oh, how Nimbus longed to paint the sky with colours, the narrator said, but whenever he tried to rain, only a few measly sprinkles fell. One sunny day, a hot wind blew Nimbus far away from his cloud kingdom. He drifted above a bustling town, watching children play. The children looked hot and grumpy, the narrator said. Their faces were red, and their popsicles dripped faster than they could lick them. Nimbus felt a pang in his little cloud heart. He wished he could help, but he knew his few sprinkles wouldn't be enough. Just then, a little girl looked up at him and smiled. "Go! Look, everyone! A tiny cloud. Maybe it will bring us some cool rain." Nimbus felt a flutter of hope. Maybe, just maybe, his small rain could make a difference. He gathered all his cloud might and squeezed, and squeezed, and squeezed. A gentle mist fell on the town, not a heavy rain, but the children squealed with delight, laughing and dancing in the unexpected shower. The little rain wasn't much, but it was just what the children needed, the narrator said. Their faces lit up with joy, and the town felt a breath of fresh air. As the wind carried Nimbus away, he realized that even the smallest cloud could make a big difference. He didn't need to be a storm cloud to create something beautiful. His tiny rain had brought smiles and laughter, and that was a rainbow in it. And so, Nimbus the little cloud learned that even the smallest of us can make a big impact, the narrator said. All it takes is a little bit of courage and a heart full of kindness. Remember, even the smallest among us can do great things. What will you do to make your world a brighter place today?